Hello, hello, hello everyone. So, we have finished our turkey stock, so we're going to make some turkey noodle soup. So, let's see if we can do this without a disaster. So there's our broth. I have more in the pot there. We have celery and onion. Some peas and carrots, mixed veg. We have our turkey. I'm gonna chop this up some more. Cut it up a little smaller. Thought that was skin. Okay, that's a little better. Add our turkey. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of pepper. And about a teaspoon of salt. And stir it. Hey, you can get out of the kitchen, please, little monsters. I'm going to strain some more of my broth and add it to this pot of soup. It is still hot. Shoo! And there we go. And just like the chicken noodle soup, we will add noodles to the jars. I'm not going to cook these veggies all the way through because they will cook in the canning process. This is soup, so it will can for 60 minutes. Pints, 75 quarts. So I will get set up to fill our jars. Ooh. And get you all moved over in the other direction. Okay, so we have our soup and our jars. And these are the noodles I use. It's called Country Pasta, Egg Pasta, and you get this at Sam's. It's a big bag. Not as big as they used to be, but still pretty big. So we're going to take a pinch of noodles, like literally a pinch. Pinch of noodles. And those swell up a lot, and they take a long time to cook normally. And we are going to put in our soup. 1-inch headspace. Here we go. Do the next one. See how many we get here. Oh, let's get the noodles. Pinch of noodles. Inch of headspace. And the next one. Pinch of noodles. A little bit more. Go down to the bottom of that pot and get all your goodness. We are squeezing every nickel out of this turkey. Soups are less time when they're broth soups, and you have half solids and half liquids. That's even with beans or meat. Because it is liquid, it's not a packed jar of meat. A lot of people think meat is one time, and that's actually some crazy rumor somebody started. Did I put noodles in there? Let me see. Oh, we need some noodles. Pasta. The term used is not recommended, and it's because most pastas will turn to mush. This pasta will not. If you don't want to put the noodles, you don't have to. Your kitchen, your rules. So, I'm going to find some more jars and finish filling these up. First, we will wipe our rims, and I need some paper towel. Okay, got some paper towels. We have some vinegar. Vinegar is the best thing to get the grease off the rims. feel like somebody sucked my energy all of a sudden. It's like, whew. You want to put your rings on fingertip tight. This one could actually use. I don't boil these for pressure canning, but I do for water bathing. Felt like 2 lids. These are thicker than the ball lids. And just do this with all your jars. Make sure you have no grease. And you can always check for chips or anything on your edges. You're feeling really well when your rim is wet. So I'm going to continue filling up my jars, and then we will load up the canner. So I need to move that stock pot. Okay, so we have 7 pints. I can actually fit 9 in here if I need to. Okay, right here you'll see a V on your handle and a V on your lid, and always, I don't think I really mentioned this enough, always look in that hole and make sure, can you see? You can see the light shining through that hole. Every now and then just stick a toothpick or something through there and make sure your vent is wide open. So we're going to turn this up. When this pops up and this has been venting steam for 10 minutes, you'll put your weight on it, 10 to 15 pounds depending on where you live. If you don't know what weight you should use, put in your elevation into Google, ask what is the elevation and then your city and state, and it will tell you. So anything below 1,000 feet is 10 pounds. Anything over that is 15 pounds. And you can look up the actual, like if it's 1,000 or 1,200, and make sure you do it right. And then this will process for 75 minutes once your rocker starts to move. Very slow rock, not fast, just very slow. When it starts to move, adjust your heat. You'll find the sweet spot on your stove. Everybody's is different. Mine is almost low. Set your timer for 75 minutes. When it's done, let it come down from pressure on its own. Don't lift that weight up. And when it's come down for pressure, let it sit for another 15 minutes or so. And open it up away from your face and all that so you don't burn it off. And I will see you when these are coming out. Alrighty. Our canner is finished. I need a towel. Move you back. Always open away from your face. It's very hot. scared myself. So here's our turkey soup. And that will all settle when it's done bubbling away, if you can see the bubbling. So if you have any questions, post them down below. I know I have the broth clip in here, so that'll be weird. I was all discombobulated trying to do all these videos. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I know it was a chaotic one, but I think it came together okay. So there's our turkey noodle soup. My husband will enjoy that. I hope you utilize those leftovers from Thanksgiving and stock those shelves. So I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care.